Far away from home, there's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, build a future, keep moving forwards, go beyond what they call impossible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls, baby, you can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun to what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. Go beyond expectations and dreams, to be stronger, to push harder than before. It's a time for change, we're standing on the edge of grace. Keep chasing the sun, so what can't be done. Let's go beyond, 'cause every step we take will lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. No horizons waiting for us, because we were made to go beyond, 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 go beyond. Far away from home, there's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down.